remedies. Ingredients: fenugreek seeds, black seeds, onion, curry leaves, castor oil, mustard oil, coconut oil. Step 1. Add 2 tablespoons fenugreek seeds, 2 tablespoons black seeds in a pan at low flame. Dry roast these seeds for 30 to 60 seconds and crush them into powder. Step 2. Take another pan and keep it on low flame. Then add 1/4 cup of mustard oil and 1/4 cup of castor oil with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Mix them and let them cook for 2 minutes at a low flame. Step 3. Add the powdered seed mixture to this oil. Mix the contents and cook for 1.5 to 2 minutes. Then add 1 cup of small onions into it. And cook for a while till bubbles. After that add 1 cup of curry leaves in that oil. Then let the curry leaves and onions turn golden brown. About 25 minutes later turn off the flame and strain it well. Step 4. Let it cool and store it in an airtight container. Second recipe. Step 1. Add 1/2 cup of amla oil. 1/3 cup almond oil. 1/4 cup lemon oil. 1/4 extra virgin oil. Step 2. Mix them all together and store it in a bottle.